I just made everything on Windows transparent. Taskbar, Windows, menus, literally everything. Windows 11 doesn't let you do this out of the box and Microsoft locked it down. But with a few free tools, we can make it completely see-through. And the result looks so clean that stock Windows feels outdated. Now let me show you how you as well can make Windows transparent. So pretty much by 100% transparent, I mean you will get this super sleek transparent taskbar and also this file explorer. And then if you go for example to local disk C, right click on it, you can go to show more options. You can see also that this menu is transparent. And then if I click on properties, you can also see that this menu is as well transparent. Now, if I go to the start menu is transparent and also the notification center is transparent as well. So let's go here to the web browser and you want to go here to this website windhawk.net and click here on the download button. And once you have pretty much this .exe file, you can click on it right here and then just install it like you would any other Windows program. It's super straightforward. And now once you have it installed, you can go here to the start menu, search for Windhawk and click here on the app. And now this is where the actual magic happens. This program pretty much gives you this transparency on whole Windows. Now let me show you how to pretty much configure it. First option here, of course, is to have Windows 11 File Explorer styler. Make sure if you don't see it here, you can go to the Explore page. Then here you can search for File Explorer styler and you will find it right here. Click on the details and then just click here on install. I already have it installed, and once you also do have it installed, you can go here to the settings and down below make sure that you change the theme here to the Translucent Explorer 11. And then down below make sure that you have translucent background effect set to default for the selected theme, as well as translucent background effect region to File Explorer frame only. Now once you've done that, pretty much you can go here back to the Explore page and you will have to search for the translucent Windows modification. This one is also very simple to install. Just install it like you did the previous modification. And then you can go here to the settings and down below here, make sure that you have rendering customization turned on. So make sure that you have here this toggled on, new system colors as well, and then also Windows theme accent colorizer. Down below here, you will also find a setting called background translucent effects. Here, make sure that you have this set to blur, but if you prefer other options, you can also use them. For example, acrylic, mica alt, but here I will use the blur. And also make sure that you have the flyout effects also toggled on, as well as immersive dark mode title bar and also extend effects into entire window. Now, once you pretty much have both of the mods installed, your file explorer should look something like this already. So you will have this transparency all over the file explorer, and also here this right click context menu as well. And then you can also see here that the control panel is fully transparent. So now let's continue here with the notification center. So this is already the transparent notification center, which you can get here on Windows 11, and pretty much go back here to the Windhawk and make sure that you install this modification. It's called Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. And you can go here and go to the details once you have it installed, of course. Then go to the settings and under the theme, select here translucent shell. And this option will make your notification center this transparent. But of course, here you also have plenty of the other options. For example, you can go with window glass as well. This is what the notification center here looks like. But I think that this translucent shell theme looks the best for the notification center. Now we are already done here with the file explorer as well as the notification center, and we can continue here with the taskbar as well. So pretty much let's go here back to the home page and make sure that you search here for this modification, Windows 11 taskbar styler, which is right here. And if you don't find it here on the first page under the featured mods, make sure that you go here to the explore page and search for it right here. Once you have it installed, you can then go to the settings and make sure that you change the theme here to window glass. This one, in my opinion, does give the taskbar this really cool effect. You will also have to adjust it, by the way. So you can pretty much adjust it by installing this another modification. It's called taskbar height and icon size. Then you will have to go to the details, and under the settings here, you will have to change the taskbar height and also here the taskbar button width. So now let's open here the web browser, and you will have to go here to this website. You can also search for it on Google, and down below here you will find themes. And here scroll down until you find window glass theme, and down below here you will see click to expand JSON content, and make sure that you put here the taskbar height to 70, just like this, and then the taskbar button width should be 44, icon size should be 30, and icon size small should be 20, and then also this taskbar button width small should be 30. And then once you've done that, you can click here on save settings, and the taskbar should adjust its size. So right now I think it does look pretty cool. We already have here this transparent notification center, also here this taskbar, and also the file explorer as well, which I think looks pretty cool. Now let's also customize here the start menu. Now, this is what the start menu will look like if it's transparent. So pretty much this really cool transparent theme. You can go here back to the Windhawk. You will also find the icon here in the system tray, by the way. And then here inside Windhawk, let's go to the explore page where you will have to look for Windows 11 start menu styler. So make sure to install this one as well. It has 463,000 users. And then you can go here to the details, where you will also have to change the theme. So let's go to the settings, and under the theme here, make sure that you change it to the translucent start menu, and then click here on save settings. And now your start menu should look something like this, by the way. And I think it looks pretty night and day compared to before. This one looks much better in my opinion. Now here in the taskbar, you can also see that I have this really cool bouncing animation, which you can also get by installing this next mod in Windhawk. It's called Taskbar Dock Animation, and it gives the taskbar this macOS animation when hovering with your mouse over the icons. Make sure that you install it and then go to the details here and enable it. And then if you go here to the settings, make sure that you have maximum scale here set to 130. And once you have this pretty much set, you can then see here this really nice bouncing animation. Now here you can also see that I have this custom cursor for Windows 11, and you can also get it by going here to this website, thejapricreations.com, and I will also put a link for it in the video description down below. Now let's scroll down below here where you will see free collection, and let's click here on the cursor concept 3 free. Scroll down below here, click on download for free, and you should get this zip file. Let's click here on this folder. And inside here, select the cursor concept 3 free zip file, then click on extract all, extract. And then inside here, go to the cursor, go to the light mode or dark if you prefer dark mode. And then here, I will click on install, right click on it, and then here select install, and then click on open. And now you should have applied here brand new cursor. And this is pretty much it, how you guys can make your Windows 11 fully transparent. So here we have the start menu, which is fully transparent. Then we have, of course, the file explorer, which I think looks super sleek. The notification center is fully transparent as well as the taskbar. So pretty much I will put every single tool I mentioned in today's video in the video description down below. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all around in the next one.